Hello everyone, my name is Nikisha and I am the Outdoor Program Specialist for the City of Suffolk. And my job is to work in the parks and find cool and exciting things for people to do in the park. Today is a rainy, drizzly day, but do you think that keeps me from going outside? Nope. So I want to see how many of you would like to join me in the park today. You can use your imagination, you can go to a park, or maybe you can go outside in your backyard. Let's see what kind of cool things you can find. All you need is a rain jacket if you don't like to get drizzled on, maybe some flicker pants, and some cool tools. Maybe you want a shovel, or if you don't have a shovel, a spoon, some form of bucket to keep your critters in, or cool things that you may find. Now let's go explore. Wow, check this trail out. I'm at Sleepy Hole Park. And so far, I see a lot of cool things already. What are some of the cool things that you can see? Let's use our sense of hearing. How many of you are able to hear birds calling? Do the birds call when it's raining outside? Are you using your listening ears? What kind of cool shapes can you find in nature? Wow, look at this. They kind of remind me of like candy canes. Do you see anything cool outside in your backyard or at your local park? Look at these cool shapes. They almost remind me of like little snails or caterpillars on a stalk. Let's see. And I guess as they grow, they'll open up. For your next scavenger hunt item, can you find signs of spring? Ooh, here's signs of spring. Wow. Do you ever take a look at the trees? What do you notice about trees? Can you find a tree? How does your tree feel? Is it soft or is it rough? Does your tree have any cool features? Look at this one. This one has a hole. It's a pretty big hole too. But be careful. I suggest you don't stick your fingers inside because you never know if an animal might be living inside. Trees can have all kinds of holes, making homes for animals. See? There goes another one. Check this tree out. This is a magnolia tree. It's one of my favorite trees to observe because it has really big leaves and they're such a pretty green and they're very strong. I also like checking out magnolia trees because yellow-bellied sapsuckers seem to love this tree. If you notice all the little dots, that's where the yellow-bellied sapsucker digs its beak into the bark to get some wonderful, tasty sap. Here's a picture of a yellow-bellied sapsucker. Are you ready for your next scavenger hunt item? Are you able to find some type of fungi? I found some on this log. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's a type of shelf fungi because it looks just like a shelf hanging on this piece of bark. Oh, look! There's a little slug. Isn't that cool? Is anybody able to find a slug too? I think he might be eating this mushroom. What do you think? For your next scavenger hunt item, are you able to find moss? Here's some moss at the base of this tree. It reminds me of carpet. Nice and soft. Or maybe it reminds you of trolls here. I wonder if little trolls live under here. Next item on the scavenger hunt. Can you find a puddle to splash it? For the next scavenger hunt item, how many of you are able to find a reflection? Do you know what a reflection is? It's the mirror of another image within water or maybe glass. I can see a reflection. I can see a really big reflection. I can see a reflection of these trees. Do you think I see the reflection in the sky? No. How about in this large puddle? Do you see the reflection of the trees in this large puddle? Wow. Look what I just found. This is a crayfish. They kind of resemble like small lobsters. You might also heard that they're called crawdads, yappies. How many eyes does he have? Can you see his eyes? How many legs does he have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on that side. And 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. And then he's got 2 big pinchers. Well, thank you for coming out and playing in the rain with me. I hope you join me some other time. Bye.